Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add music to your CapCut videos, right? So we're going to go up to the top left corner for audio, and then right here where it says music, we click on music, and we basically have all the trending, all of the different categories of music. It's kind of like how on TikTok you have new music being updated to it. I mean, CapCut is part of TikTok from what I understand, and all the music that's on TikTok is on CapCut too. So we have Valentine's Day category, sale, pop, hip hop, latest, beasts, party. Usually go on trending, and we can just play it, right? Next one, right? And if there's an artist or a name of band that you want to see if CapCut has it, you just go in the search bar and you type them in. And so to bring it to the timeline so you can export it, all you have to do is click and drag it down to the timeline. And now you can bring it anywhere you'd like. We can zoom in, and then we can also cut different parts of it as well, right? If we don't want the beginning of it, we can just cut this, um, press that, and it's gone, right? You guys can do whatever you want with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.